Welcome. Are you ready to transform how learning happens? Let's dive into designing effective learning experiences. First, why are learning objectives important? They give learners direction and purpose. Clear objectives guide content creation and assessment. Now, how do we develop measurable learning objectives? Start with action verbs. Words like analyze, create, and evaluate work best. Next, ensure each objective connects to learners' needs. This makes learning relevant and engaging. Once objectives are set, it's time to create sequences. Structured learning sequences help learners build knowledge step by step. Start with foundational concepts. Slowly introduce more complex ideas. Each step should logically flow to the next. Now, let's talk instructional design principles. Use methods like chunking information. Break content into digestible pieces. Incorporate hands-on activities for practical application. Visual elements enhance understanding. Now, imagine a scenario. A teacher develops a course on digital marketing. She sets clear objectives for understanding algorithms. She structures lessons from basics to advanced tactics. Finally, she uses videos and interactive quizzes. Her students engage deeply and grasp essential concepts. Remember, key elements are clarity, structure, and interaction. These principles ensure successful learning experiences. To summarize, define clear objectives, structure learning sequences. Now it's your turn. What learning experiences will you create? Start designing today and make a difference. In the next video we will discuss about training delivery strategies. Stay connected with us. Thank you.